how to find friends on Facebook through their phone number. So if you want to find your friends on your Facebook through the phone number, then first open up your Facebook application, and then you need to go for the upper right, which has that three bar. Scroll down, go for settings and privacy, go for the settings, go for the account center, and under account settings you need to go for your information and permissions and tap on upload contacts, choose your Facebook account and turn on your contact upload. Once you've turned that on, now you can go back and go for the search, which is on the upper right. Tap on the search and then search for the mobile number or the phone number. So for example, I'll be entering a phone number. So once you've searched for the mobile number, here you need to go for the people option. Once you choose people, here you need to turn on your contact uploading, which I have just shown you. So I have not turned on my contact uploading. If you turn on your contact uploading, then you will have the persons related to that phone number. So that's how you can find your friends on your Facebook through the phone number. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.